Hey, Miss Edelstein, how are you?
Lisa Edelstein from House. So we talked to her about in China, they have these machines that simulate childbirth so men can feel the pain of childbirth.
Oh, finally!
That's like a fight waiting to happen, because if it's not that bad, I'm like...
Exactly.
It's like, what the hell are you complaining about?
Well, we talked to Lisa about it, and we said,
Do you think that's beneficial for couples, like from an empathetic standpoint?
Sounds pretty dumb to me, but...
It's offensively stupid. Why would anybody do that?
no, it's kind of nice because then the men can see what the women are going through.
Can we get a machine that simulates getting kicked in the balls?
Yeah. Here's what it's like when you're riding a bike and you fall off the seat.
Is there a simulator for them to provide for a family?
That is hilarious.
All right, thanks for your work, Miss Edelstein. You're really brilliant.